So hello, so this is one of my customs. I have two customs that came in the mail. So this is the first one. So I got a like more standard kit, but this one has like an opening. So that is that. So I have the canvas and the drills, and it came in a nice, how do you call that? I don't know. But it's nice protected. So this is actually a drawing that I made myself. It's from the it's for the new Tokyo Hotel tour. So I made that. I made this one. I'm so nervous to open this one. I know it's a good size. It's a 50 by 60. But I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Because I saw the layout, so I know it's a good size, but I'm also always so nervous to open a custom. Is it just me or not? Because no, I'm really nervous. Because I made it took so long to make this drawing. So I would be really sad if it's not a good size. So let's take a look. Yeah, they really taped it down, right? There was no way this one is going to open on his way. So maybe I should take the other side, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So I'm gonna take the I'm nervous. So let's take a look. Hope you can really, oh yeah, you can see it. I have positioned my camera otherwise because these paintings are so big. Wow, yeah, you can definitely see what's written on there. That was the part that I was most worried about, because most of the times yeah, but you can see what's written. I don't know if it's in reverse with you, because I'm looking at upside down, so you can see the picture all right. So I don't know how much further I can pull it so you can see it, but I will do the other side too. Yeah, it looks amazing. So you can definitely see melancholy. I can't really talk today. But you can see. So that's but I do have a crease in the right in the middle. So I do hope that it will not affect the painting when I'm doing it. Alright, so let's take a look at the other side. It's going to be a little bit tricky, I think, but we are gonna make it work. Okay, so I believe the background is black. Does it have black? Yes, it does have black. Yeah, I'm trying to pull it as far as I can, but I'm sticking to the canvas. I'm so excited to do this one. But yeah, I'm excited for all my paintings. So yeah, just be careful, because I guess it is just in the middle. All right, pull it as far as I can. So this is the painting. Yeah, it's really sticky. So we have Tokyo Hotel on the on top, and then we have Melancholic Paradise Tour 2019 on the bottom, and then we have like the singer that I draw, and that's supposed to be Tom and Bill. I don't know. This one is Bill. Yeah, this one is Bill. I'm looking at upside down and in the mirror, so it looks a kind of different, but that's Tom and that's Bill. I think it's going to be beautiful. Let's hope that I didn't pick it too small. Get the air bubbles out. Let's put, yeah, so I'm really excited for this one. Oh, I got another bubble here. So let's make sure that the bubble is out before I store this one. All right. So yeah, I have to do this side again because maybe I should have done it the other way around. First the top and then the bottom. I think maybe that would have been a little bit easier. Don't you think that? All right. All right. Here we go. Yeah, that's another bubble on there. I don't like the bubbles. Don't like it. Don't like it. Oh, that's a big bubble here. Right. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I really want the bubbles out because... All right, here we go. So that was a painting. And now let's take a look at the build. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of let's take it out. All right, here we go. So how many colors does this one have? Oh, it has 36 colors. So I have 261 bags and I have to paint 48,000 wheels. Yeah, that's so this is written on the back. I don't know if you can really see it, but I don't even know what's written on there. Yeah, it's all right. So what's the biggest one I have? The biggest one is 43 bags, 37, 46. Which one is that? Oh, that's purple. Yeah, I think that's for the skin. And then we, oh no, but, actually black is the biggest one. I have 57 bags of 310. So this is the list. Yeah. So 57 is the highest. Then we have 43, 30 and 25. Those. So those are the biggest one. And all the rest is not too big. But I have to tell that yeah, they are really printed beautiful. So let's take, I'm not going to pull them out because knowing me, I have always trouble to put them back. So I'm just going to show you like that. So it has a lot of purple, some green for the galaxy in this eyes. So I have this one is strange. I just want to take a look because I think that's the black one, but oh yeah, that's the black one. Oh. So what do we have? Yeah, it's blue, gray, black, purple and green. So that's it. Yeah. I hope to do this one this year. It's not that it's for a gift, but I want to hang it on my wall. Am I going to show you the other one? My custom? Yeah, I'm going to show you the other one. So I'm gonna put this one in my basket because I still have to check them. I will check them. So this one is my biggest one. It's my box. It came in a box, but when it arrived, it was already open. So I do hope that nothing fell out. So that's my second custom painting. So let's hope that nothing fell out, because you know how careful they are. And yeah, there is a kit. All right, so love the kits from HUACAN. Yeah, I love those. So those are the drills. So nicely in the Ziploc bags, nice labeled. So this one has a little bit of how do you call it? A push, a crease? No, it's not a crease. I don't know, but so this one is a 80 by 60, and it's another Wonder Woman. But this one is not a picture that I made, but it's too much light. It's just Wonder Woman. Okay, so apparently I lost some of the video, so I'm not going to pull that, close it and open again. So this is my Wonder Woman. It looks awesome. So I'm gonna close it again and then do the other side and then try. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I lost couple of minutes of the video. But you didn't miss that much. Right. No. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's a really large piece. Luckily my table is big enough, but there are so many. I will maybe have to do it again, but off camera, because I'm not too happy the way those things look. All right. Okay, let's do the other side now. I'll do it like that because it might be easier for me. Foam roller. Because like I don't know if you heard it in the video, but it always this one seems to be like overlapping a bit, so the one is lying on top of the other, so I have to be careful that I don't rip the paper. but this one has no rivers. It's really gorgeous. I'm really happy with it. And it's really sticky. This one will take like forever to do. I'm sure about it now, but I didn't thought it would have that many colors. The more colors you use, the longer it takes. So, and this one has 47 colors. Okay, let's try to turn this around. All right. Let's take a look. Oh, you cannot see that, right? All right. No, it sticks to my table. That's not the way it should be happening. Right, let's. I'm gonna pull that back a little bit. Okay. So you can actually see Wonder Woman. I'm not going to pull it back too. But just so you can see Wonder Woman. So one side is blue and the other side is more a yellow one. But I think it's going to be beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but I know this one is going to be gorgeous. And I love that movie so much. I really do love that movie. Why can't I put it back straight on there? Sometimes it works the first time and sometimes I have to do it like 2 or 3 times. But this one, oh no, this one is really too right. I had to pull a little bit back. I'm sorry, but I'm really trying to be careful because they are overlapping each other and just want it to be right. 2 to go. Right, 1. And this one is not straight. Oh, I'm so... Oh, I cannot see it when it's not straight. Alright. So I'm really excited with this one. This is a really huge canvas. Doesn't even fit in my camera. But the drills. Let's take a look at the drills. So 47 colors. No, and I just saw one getting out. I don't know which one. Would it be that one? Yeah, it could be that one. So a lot of black. That's all black. And then we have different shades of brown, blue, yellow, gray, even a red one. That's for her costume, I think. Yeah, I think it will be awesome. Oh, this one has really not too many drills in. Look at that. Which one is that? I have like only 36 drills that I need from that. Alright. Yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. Oh. It's like whenever you get like a new painting, you want to start it right away. That's how it's usually with me. But if I get like 10 or 12 paintings at one time, I wouldn't know which one to choose. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna make another video with my paintings from eBay and AliExpress. Those two are from AliExpress, by the way. So one came from HUACAN and the other one I can't remember. And I do not have my cards with me. Why do I not have my cards with me? I don't know where I put them. So if you want to know where I from which store I made the Tokyo Hotel one, just ask me in the comments below. I have to put it in the bag, not outside the bag. Yeah, but I'm really happy with my 2 customs. So I have 3 customs in total now. So 2 Wonder Woman and 1 of Tokyo Hotel. And I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna put everything back in the bag. And I'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye!